Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Wistia video URL share link? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Wistia video URL share link anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business sharing videos with your Wistia account, you're going to need the URL to share into Facebook posts or Twitter links. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the URL link to one of your videos, here on the left, you're going to click on Content Library. Once you do that, you're going to see all the content folders. So just click on the folder that holds the video you need the URL to. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a list of the videos, and to get the URL link to one of the videos, just hover over the video. And then to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and to get the URL link, click on share. Okay, here is where you can get the URL to that one particular video. All you're going to do is click on copy. Now, if you want the video to start at a certain time for the link, click here, this little box. And let's say we want this to start at the 10-second mark. Okay, now the video is going to start at the 10-second mark. And then we're going to click on copy once again. Also, you can create an expiring link if you click right here, generate expiring link. And then you can set a valid time. So this might be if you're setting up some sort of a promotion that ends in 24 hours or 72 hours or something like that. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Wistia video URL link, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.